still ain't rich.
Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah.
Noisy.
Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Nigga, I've been up 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Tryna figure out a way to get paid. I've been up like 4, 5, 6 days straight. Tryna figure out a way to get paid. I've been up like 4, 5 days in a row. I got a little something, but I need a little more. 9 to 5 money just a little too slow, and I need that fast like pronto. Yeah, bags up under my eyes, okay.
What up, man? It's your boy D-Bonds back with another video, man. Y'all know I've been working on this solar thing for a good minute now. So today I was like, yo, you know, why not go outside and test these panels? We got 4 solar panels, but these right here, these are from TikTok. And it was like 40-something a piece. They said it was 200 something watts, but that's not the case. That thing is not even 200 watts. That thing is like 15 watts a piece. And then these right here, these solar panels are from Temu. I got these for Temu for like $22. It was pretty cheap. They 50 watts a piece. They work pretty good. Now, what I did was to make all this solar. I wanted to make all this solar, so I have plugged it up to this little solar charge controller. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me flip it up so I can see the wattage. All right, so look, as y'all can see, right now from these solar panels, we charging at we had 13.3 with these solar panels, and I'm still getting the hang of these, you know what I mean? That's pretty good right there. The voltage is 4.4, 2.4. Like they say, you gotta match that up with that. You know what I'm saying? 4.4 max volts. Y'all get what I'm saying? But man, this thing doing pretty good, man. And I also got the female adapter for this thing, man. And I cut some wires up, put all this together, man, because I wanted to do something really cool. And as y'all know, this inverter right here is also cheap. I got this from TikTok. No, I got this from Temu. And this thing works like a charm. It's 150 watts. So look, man, when you using your solar stuff, you cannot plug like crazy stuff up to it. You can plug like small TVs, maybe a 55-inch. You know what I'm saying? Something small, that, and a computer or something like that, depending on what TV you're using. But today was really a good day to bring these joints out, man. And these batteries right here, man, let me tell y'all something. This Golden Mate, this LiPo 4 battery, man, even though it's 10 amps, man, let me tell you something, man. It works really well. But to put you on game, right? Now, when you're charging it with this, it charges it up, but it doesn't charge it up at a full capacity. You know what I mean? The trickle is just a little off sometimes, but it is accurate. But here and there, it does mess up. But this is like one of them cheap ones. You might want to get one of them good ones so you can really know what your voltage is. This 12.8 10 amp battery, it lasts pretty good, man. I know it lasts me with the TV running at 19 watts. It ran me at 19 watts. It ran me like at least 4 hours, man. 4 or 5 hours just with the TV alone. My son was playing Call of Duty. Let me show you that real fast. We got a nice long wire coming down. You know what I'm saying? All the way from right here. All the way right here, you feel me? Got this little battery. Got a nice little battery right here. And then the inverter, you feel me? That's pretty deep. That's pretty decent. You heard? And then the results. You got the game. You playing? Ain't that right though?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yep.
All right, so y'all seen that, man? I'm telling you, we're gonna do a part 2 tonight, man. And not only just that we plugging these up right here. We charging them by solar. We also plugging up these babies right here. All right, y'all. This is the Palladium. Now, as y'all can see, y'all probably can't see it because it's. I don't know why it's doing that, but this thing is at 3 hours. It's charging right now. And this thing is at 70%. So we are charging this EcoFlow with this Palladium. Now, let me tell y'all something. Like I told y'all, man, this Palladium is really nice. Now, this thing will double time this right here. This would give you 4 hours or whatever it's hooking up, but this one would definitely outbeat it by the long shot. I'm trying to tell y'all. EcoFlow is nice. EcoFlow just charges up pretty fast. You can use it while you're charging it and all that other stuff. But man, listen, by the time you have to charge this up 2 times, you'll be only using this 1 time. You feel me? And one of these can also charge this up and I was also using this battery to charge it up. Yo, let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna do another video and I'm gonna show y'all all this setup, and we're gonna be watching the crazy election tonight. You feel me? And see what that joint hitting on, man. I just want to laugh at it. You know what I mean? I ain't even gonna hold you. I just want to laugh at it. But man, look, we're gonna test these babies out tonight. We're gonna have everything set up. I'm just charging everything, and this video gonna be pretty nice, man. It's gonna be pretty nice. Pretty nice. So y'all stay tuned, man. Be back later on.